The Supreme Court said on Friday it will decide if former President Donald Trump can be kept off the ballot in the 2024 presidential election. Trump wants to face off against President Joe Biden in the upcoming vote, overturning his 2020 election loss. Justices at the court recognize the need to reach a decision quickly, as voters will soon begin casting presidential primary ballots across the country. Colorado has barred Trump from appearing on the ballot due to his role in the January 6 attack on the U.S. Capitol. The Supreme Court has agreed to take up the former U.S. president's appeal against this case. A day before the third anniversary of the riot by Trump supporters aiming at keeping him in power, U.S. President Joe Biden warned his predecessor's efforts to retake the White House in 2024 pose a grave threat to the country. The sped-up timeframe could allow the court to produce a decision before Super Tuesday on March 5, a presidential primary election day when the largest number of delegates are up for grabs. "All I want is fair. I just hope that they're going to be fair," said Trump at a campaign event in Iowa. The court will consider for the first time the meaning and reach of a provision of the 14th Amendment barring some people who engaged in insurrection from holding public office. The amendment was adopted in 1868, following the Civil War. It has been so rarely used that the nation's highest court had no previous occasion to interpret it. Colorado's Supreme Court, by a 4-3 vote, ruled last month that Trump should not be on the Republican primary ballot. The decision was the first time the 14th Amendment was used to bar a presidential contender from the ballot. Trump is separately appealing a ruling by Maine's Democratic Secretary of State, Shenna Bellows, that he was ineligible to appear on that state's ballot over his role in the Capitol attack. Trump's lawyers claim Colorado's decision would unconstitutionally disenfranchise millions of voters and could be used as a template to disenfranchise tens of millions of voters nationwide. They argue Trump should win on many grounds, including that the events of January 6 did not constitute an insurrection.